coaching thought for the day. My thought for the day is this: however busy you are as a coach, however many meetings you have, or however many things you have to do to get ready for said meetings, when a teacher comes to you and enthusiastically invites you to their classroom to go see something that they're doing, that they're proud of, that they're excited about, go do that thing. Don't let the piles of work that you need to do get in the way of an invitation that is going to build a relationship with a teacher. Let them have an opportunity to shine in front of a crowd and give them some praise. I guarantee that is going to be a better use of your time than whatever the other thing is that you have to do. Love on some teachers and be excited and share their joy with them whenever you can.